you got a bathroom drain problem, you gotta have the right tool. When one of these isn't doing the trick, it's time to call in the big boys. We went to the RIDGID factory in Orange, Virginia to see how they make their heavy-duty drain cleaning machine. RIDGID's been making professional quality tools since 1923.
RIDGID has historically been rooted in serving the professional trades, from plumbing contractor, HVAC professionals, building contractors. Recently, we have evolved into serving the DIY market.
That means homeowners can get a hold of the same kind of tools the pros use, like this serious drain snake. The RIDGID K-400 drain cleaner will get rid of even the toughest clogs.
Whether it's a hair clog, grease in the kitchen, oil out in the garage, you name it. This particular tool, K-400, has the versatility and ruggedness to power you through that drain blockage.
It's got 75 feet of cable, so you can really get down in there. And it works in just about any size drain.
You can use it for various applications within your home, any line from 1.5 inches to 4 inch.
With the optional auto feed, just turn it on and it powers right down. Put it in reverse and up it comes. Say bye-bye to the clog.
They're pulling back these massive obstructions with this tool, which is very cool.
To find out how they make the K-400 drain cleaner, we went to the RIDGID factory in Orange, Virginia. The first step is making the cables. Those start out as thinner wires. The thin strands are fed into a machine that wraps them together.
This is where we make cables. Raw wire is fed into the machine and wrapped around a galvanized rope that we call intercore. When it comes out, the end product looks similar to this.
The cables are up to 100 feet in length. So, to make them easier to handle, they send them underground.
We run them underground into a trench system.
Next, they have to make the coupling. They do that on a CNC lathe.
These small couplings start out as a 15-foot bar. They're then loaded into this computer-controlled lathe.
Those couplings are what let you attach different tools to the snake. At the next station, they pull the cable out of the trench, cut it to size, and weld the coupling to the end. Then, because the cables have to be real flexible, they heat them to a high temperature.
We put the cables in this oven for 1.5 hours at 450 degrees. That relieves the stress and allows for flexibility of the cable.
The finished snake is wound into a plastic drum assembly. At the same time, RIDGID is making the K-400 frame. After the frame is assembled, it's painted a signature red. In a powder coating process, the frames are sprayed, then baked.
This is a finished frame coming out of our oven where it's been baked at 425 degrees. It's ready for final assembly.
In final assembly, more than 50 components are added to form the K-400. They're pretty quick at putting them together.
Each operator makes a drain cleaner in about 20 minutes.
The K-400s don't take long to make, and they don't take long to work either.
You can see photos or you hear stories of end users saying, the K-400 was the tool for me. This one saved the day.
When you got a serious clog, the RIDGID K-400 can make life a whole lot easier.